Mrs. Maria José Salgueiro, delegate of Spanish government in Castilla y León. She was with us in her department in Valladolid for explaining us about the Union European history and institutions. What has been the adhesion process of the countries members of the Union? After World War II, at the Cold War beginning, the Western Europe nation constituted the Council of Europe in 1949. The founders were Belgium, France, Luxembourg, Netherlands, and United Kingdom. Then Ireland, Italy, Denmark, and Norway and Sweden joined. 6 of these states decided to make one further step, and with the objective for the strengthen the economic cooperation between them, they formed the common market, starting of the basis that if some of the states depend on others from an economic point of view, they hardly will declare a war. First, they were the ECSC, European Coal and Steel Community, in 1951, Belgium, Netherlands, Luxembourg, France, Germany, and Italy. In 1957, the same 6 states constitute the European Economic Community and the European Atomic Energy Community. This moment, and after successive extensions, the community consists of the 28 member states. The different institutions of the Union European are European Parliament, European Council, Council of the Union European, European Commission, Court of Justice and the European Union, European Central Bank, European Court of Auditors, European External Action Service, European Social and Economic Community, Community of the Regions, European Investment Bank, European Ombudsman, European Data Protection Supervisor, Interagency. Government delegates are configured, in fact, as organ of political relation between the government and the highest authority of the community. Government delegates are appointed by the decree of the Cabinet of proposal from the President. They are instructed by the Prime Minister. They should communicate with all the government departments who can send reports they deem appropriate. They also have the obligation to submit the government an annual report of all these activities.